name is Christy. In this video, I will share with you on how to use a set of yoga block to improve your flexibility, stability, build your muscle strength, but most importantly, improve your overall posture so you can move better and feel better, no matter in your yoga practice or in your daily life. If yoga is fairly new to you, then it's very natural for you to experience some limitation or stiffness in your breathing and in your body, especially if your daily life involves a lot of sitting and screen time. Then it's more likely that you already carry that tension in your neck, shoulder, compression in your lower back, and maybe mentally feel ungrounded. Yoga is an exercise that starts from your feet. It's very important for you to start to bring that awareness to your feet, from your toe to your ankle. So a set of yoga block can provide you with stability. Start from your feet. It provides the safety that for you to relax into the pose so you can breathe and feel the muscle, the sensation, the feeling that you probably had never felt before in that deeper level. Then we can use a yoga block to promote a sense of alignment in your position when you start from your tabletop, which is your hand and knee on the ground, to you start to lift your body off the mat and to more arm-bearing position like downward facing dog. Then it is very important for you to learn how to engage your muscle properly. There's so many different blocks, come with different color, shape, and form that made by many different companies, and they are all wonderful. But the point is not about yoga block. It's about your body. You want to improve your posture, your bone strength, your breathing quality, your overall well-being through practicing yoga. But merely practicing yoga, it can be confusing because one session of yoga class, you may move through 20 poses in such a short time. And depends on what type of yoga class or level you're practicing right now. So if you're not sure where to engage your muscle properly in such short time, it can feel overwhelming for a new student. And that's why it's important for you to build that physical body awareness step by step and to feel your body the way that doing some job. When I first teaching yoga, I use those core block, and they are very lightweight. And after the class, I see a lot of nail on the block, and that shows that student put weight on them. So I already know this is probably not going to help my student. So I get rid of all of them, do some research, and I found the block. So the block I use, they come with standard size, 4 by 6 by 9. And most importantly, the materials made with 100% cord, which first of all is environmental friendly. They are easy to break down. Second is it really provide the weight, which gives us a sense of stability, protection, and firm quality that help us to not put weight on them, but more know where to shift the load to the muscle that's supposed to work when we standing or we hold a position like a downward facing dog or in your plank. So I would highly recommend you to get a set of them, because when you are doing pose like a downward facing dog, you are mainly use all part of your body, both sides, from arm, core, back down to the leg. So they are very helpful tool to have for your home practice. I incorporate the yoga block and to help you feel the body like never before.